Good morning and Jai Hind students. Today we will discuss about the term pressure. Okay, the today's topic is what? Pressure. What it is. So you know very well about force, which are described earlier in this video section. You know very well about effect of force also. The effect of force in the term of area on which it acts. Though, so the aspect of force is described in the terms of pressure. So what we have to write in the definition of pressure? So I will write here, pressure is defined as the force the force acting on a unit area. Understood? You know very well about effect of force depend upon its magnitude and the area on which it acts. Understood? So we can say that the combined effect of force and area on which it acts can be described by a quantity called pressure. So this is also a definition or also explanation of the term pressure. So combination, so I will write here, the combined the combined the combined effect of force the combined effect of force and area on which it acts can be described by a quantity by a quantity called pressure. Understood? So what is the what is the SI unit of pressure? So I will write here, so in our mind one formula will arise. Pressure is equal to force upon area, per unit area or upon area. Understood? Force symbol F, capital F, area symbol capital A. You know very well about what is the unit of force, Newton, and what is the unit of area, meter square. So what is the SI unit of pressure? Newton per meter square. Understood? Newton per meter square. So the next topic is what? The next topic is unit of pressure. Unit of pressure. The SI unit of pressure, SI unit of pressure is Newton per square meter, and I will write here Newton per meter square. Understood? This is also called Pascal. This is also called Pascal, and Pascal represented PA. Pascal is a scientist. He describe all these terms related to the pressure. So it will be right as the 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Understood? So what you learned today? What is the definition of pressure? Pressure is the defined as the force acting on a unit area, acting on a unit area, or write pressure is equal to force per unit area. How many force applied per unit area, that is called pressure. The combined, another definition of pressure, the combined effect of force and area on which it acts can be described by a quantity called pressure. Simply, what is the formula? Pressure is equal to force upon area. The symbol of force is F and symbol of area is A. What is the SI unit of force is Newton and area meter square. So I will write here Newton per meter square. And next topic, unit of pressure, the SI unit of pressure is Newton per square meter, that is here Newton per square meter. Understood? Next, this Newton per meter square is also called Pascal. Understood? So this is your today's class, and one term is also here I will write. What is fluid? So gaseous and liquid, gases and liquid are collectively called as fluids. So in next topic we will discuss about pressure exerted by liquid and gas. So today's assignment for you, first question, define pressure. Question number second, define unit of pressure. And question number third, write the formula of pressure. Understand? 3 question will be here, and you show me in the particular WhatsApp group. If you find any difficulties related to pressure, term pressure, you can ask me immediately on my WhatsApp number. Understand? Thank you. Have a nice day.